Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are safe at your places and you all are enjoying your online classes. Yes, understanding laws, the exercise. Okay. So your first question is multiple choice question. When did the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act came into effect? Your options are 2006, 1990, 2001 and 2005. Now, who will answer me? Effect. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act came into effect on 2006. Your answer is 2006. Okay. Now, your second question is, a bill finally becomes an act after the assent of President, Prime Minister, Supreme Court, and Speaker. Now, okay, a bill finally becomes an act after the assent of a president, of the president. एक बिल जो है फाइनली एक्ट बनता है, लॉ बनता है, किसके परमिशन के बाद में? प्रेसिडेंट के परमिशन के बाद में. ठीक है. Now your next question is, when was the Sedition Act passed? Your options are 1870, 1860, 1919 and the year 1858. So the Sedition Act passed by the Britishers in the year 1870. Very good. Now your next question is, economic abuse of the women includes economic abuse, sexual abuse, verbal abuse, and all of these. Who will answer me? Okay. So abuse of women includes all of these. It includes economic abuse, sexual abuse, verbal abuse, and all of these are the abuse of women. Now your next question is, match the following. Hindu Succession Amendment Act. Rowlatt Act. 10th March 1919 को आपका रॉलेट एक्ट क्या हुआ था? लॉन्च हुआ था. Now, controversial laws. Controversial laws means it leads to conflicts. Now next, last one, Civil Rights Act. Civil Rights Act 1964. It means the act came into effect on USA, the Civil Rights Act of 1964, right? Okay. Now your next question is, answer the following questions. What is controversial laws? Controversial laws क्या होते हैं? The law that favors one group and disregards the other is known as controversial laws. ऐसे laws जो एक ग्रुप को फेवर करते हैं और दूसरे ग्रुप को डिसरिगार्ड करते हैं, मतलब उनके उस ग्रुप की जो भी मान्यता है या फिर उनका जो भी मानना है उसको डिसरिगार्ड करते हैं, रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? कंट्रोवर्शियल लॉज. Your next question is, what do you mean by the rule of law? What do you understand by the term the rule of law? Rule of law means that all laws apply equally to all citizens of the country and no one can be above the law. Rule of law का meaning है जितने भी laws हैं वो citizens पे equally apply होते हैं और कोई भी law के above नहीं है, right? Yes, your next question is, what are the different ways to criticize the unpopular laws? क्या तरीके हैं जिससे हम अनपॉपुलर लॉज को क्रिटिसाइज कर सकते हैं? मैंने आपको आपकी प्रीवियस क्लास में क्रिटिसाइज का मीनिंग बताया. जब आप किसी को क्रिटिसाइज करते हो, ठीक है, जब आप किसी को किसी के अगेंस्ट अपनी वॉइस रेज करते हो, तो अनपॉपुलर लॉज को क्रिटिसाइज करने के क्या तरीके हैं? newspapers, we can criticize the laws by reporting on the newspapers. हम newspapers में articles लिख के या फिर newspapers में news जो आती है उसके थ्रू हम criticize कर सकते हैं. Secondly, through the TV. TV में हम क्या कर सकते हैं? मीडिया चैनल्स, आप अपने मीडिया के थ्रू हम टीवी में क्या कर सकते हैं? क्रिटिसाइज कर सकते हैं. प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं हम, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पब्लिक प्रोटेस्ट होते हैं, ठीक है. पब्लिक मीटिंग्स, जैसे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पब्लिक मीटिंग्स होती है, बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं कि अगर उनके लॉज, उनकी बात को नहीं माना जाता तो बहुत सारे लोग जैसे मार्चेस पे चले जाते हैं. सो these are some of the different ways to criticize the unpopular law. Now your next question is, explain the term domestic violence. What do you understand by the term domestic violence? It refers to the injury or harm or threat of injury or harm caused by an adult male, usually the husband, against his wife. ठीक है, एक ऐसी इंजरी और ऐसा हार्म पहुंचाना, चोट पहुंचाना, ठीक है, किस नॉर्मली कौन करता है? एक घर का जो एडल्ट मेल होता है, नॉर्मली हस्बैंड्स जो अपनी वाइफ के अगेंस्ट में कोई उनको इंजरी पहुंचाते हैं, उन्हें मारते हैं, तो ये क्या होता है? डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस होता है. ठीक है. और क्या होता है डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस? इंजरी में बी कॉज्ड बाय फिजिकली बीटिंग अप द वुमेन और बाय इमोशनली अब्यूजिंग हर. इंजरी जो है फिजिकली मार के भी हो सकती है या फिर इमोशनली उसको अब्यूज करके भी हो सकती है, उसके अगेंस्ट में स्लैंग वर्ड्स यूज करके या फिर उसको ब्लैकमेल करके. ये सारे भी क्या है? आपके डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस. Abuse of women can also include verbal, sexual and economic abuse. जो abuse है वो कितने तरीकों की होती है? It can also include verbal. आप उसको गंदा बोलते हो, ठीक है, slang words use करते हो, तो this is verbal abuse. Sexual abuse, I already told you the meaning of the sexuality. After that, and economic abuse, monetary terms में जो economic abuse है, ठीक है, उससे blackmail करके, उससे डावरी के लिए परेशान करके. So these all include in the abuse of the women. These are some of the types of abuses, right? Now write a short description of the Rowlatt Act. Who will tell me about the Rowlatt Act? Hitanshi, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hitanshi.
Rowlatt Act was passed hurriedly through the Imperial Legislative Council on 10 March 1919.
It's legislative, not legislative. Okay?
Legislative.
Legislative.
Okay, ma'am. Legislative.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. The Act gave the government enormous powers for
enormous
powers for suppressing political activities, allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years.
Allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. Okay? Very good.
2 years. Okay.
Yes. And you all understood? Now? Yes. Yash, please unmute yourself. Yes, beta. Explain the Hindu Succession Amendment Act.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Yash. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005 was enacted to remove gender discriminatory provisions in the Hindu Succession Act 1956. According to the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, sons, daughter, and their mothers can get an equal share of the family property after the death of the father.
Okay, you understood the meaning of Hindu Succession Amendment Act? Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Uh, um, if you have any doubt, okay, first of all, I have to ask you the question. Muskan Maru, please unmute yourself. Muskan Maru, please unmute yourself. I don't know. Prakhar Verma, please unmute yourself. Yes, Prakhar. Hello, Prakhar.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Prakhar. Yes, Prakhar. Why are laws required?
The laws are required to prevent people from several unjust social practices,
Very
prohibited
good.
the practice of
It's prohibit.
it was the cause it prohibits the practice of untouchability, which was cause of suffering for millions of people. Ensure
Yes.
equality among the citizens of India.
Yes.
Provide systems activities to derive the maximum benefit from all types of resources. The
Yes.
Parliament plays an important role in making laws.
Very
For
good.
this, it has contributes to the needs of people. For example, to protect women from domestic injury and violence by husbands, the Parliament enacted a law in 2006 called the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005.
Very good, Peter. Okay. So I hope you all understood whatever I explained you. So you all are supposed, today you all will get this PDF of notes and exercise. You all are supposed to note down the notes and exercise. And please, after doing your work, please send me your work and mention your name, class, and section. And you have 4 days to complete this work. You have to send this work by Thursday. Okay. So take care of yourself. And if you have any doubt, please raise your hands. If you have any. If you have any doubt, please raise your hand. Aman, do you have any doubt? Please unmute yourself if you have any. Aman Bawara, Yash, if you have any doubt, please unmute yourself. Otherwise, lower down your hand.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Yes, beta. क्या problem है?
मैम आज ही मैम मिल जाएगी क्या इसकी PDF?
हाँ, आज ही मिल जाएगी मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आपको ये PDF, नहीं तो कल तक तो आपके पास आई जाएगी. वैसे आपको आज मिल जाएगी. Don't worry about that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And now you all are supposed to complete your work. Okay. Whatever the chapters I have given to you, whatever the chapters I have explained to you, and the notes and PDFs I provided you, please complete your work as soon as possible and send it to me. Okay. Now your weekly tests are also going to help. शायद आपका last week भी हुआ, तो next week भी होने वाला है आपका. So I will give you the syllabus for that. वैसे आपका syllabus होगा आपका history का chapter number 2. Okay. History chapter number 2 का आपका test होगा. Yes, Bharat, please unmute yourself. Bharat.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
मैम आपने वो वर्क सेंड किए नहीं मैम, सिर्फ वो एक ही फर्स्ट चैप्टर आया मैम जियोग्राफी का.
बेटा मैंने देखो मेरे पास जो नोट्स थे वो सारे आपको ग्रुप्स में मिल चुके होंगे. ठीक है
मैम वो वर्क मैम मेरे आता ही जा रहा है मैम, फिर मैं वो हो रहा है मैम फर्स्ट मैं पहले मैम ये वाले चैप्टर कर लूं क्या?
हाँ पहले तुम ये वाले चैप्टर्स कर लो, कंप्लीट
Okay,
कर लो, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है.
Okay.
Okay class, bye bye, take care of yourself, stay safe, take